In this video I'm at Lanhydrock again and I'm going to be riding the timber trail. Hope you enjoy this video. So I think the trail that we're going to be going down now is the timber trail. So, just slightly, the timber trail. Let's see how it is. I've been down this one quite a bit before. I know the first few times I went down it I really enjoyed it. And I think it's quite fast. But we'll have to see what it's like with the added wetness. So although this trail is really easy to go fast in the dry, pretty much every berm you go round, your rear wheel starts to slide out. So it was really fun to go round, but it's harder to pick up speed, especially when you're trying to not slide out. Maybe next time I'll check the jump. So that little roller that I went over was actually a little gap, and I didn't really gap it. Well, I didn't actually really jump it loads, so that's why I wasn't really expecting it. But next time I go down this trail again, I'll definitely gap it. Boring. Next time I come down, I'll definitely maybe go a bit faster over that jump. I thought it was quite steep for what it was. So just didn't want to take any chances. So this section here is one of the more boring sections, as it's pretty flat and it's quite long, so just gonna have a sea stuff, it's quite boring I have to say. All you do is get soaked in. You most likely get things in your eye. Got like 10 drops of water behind now. Oh Jesus. I believe this section's quite good. Oh no! So they have made some changes to some of the berms which make them a bit higher and a bit easier to go round, but some of them are still pretty slippy. I have to say some of the all along this trail, which weaves side to side, has some really fun features like some drops and some tight turns to keep you on your toes and to make the trail really exciting. So on most times there's a red option to the side, or rather a small jump, every now and again, which makes it really fun. But my rear will slow down. Holy Jesus. What is up there? Not much. I have to say, some of the jumps are not the best. Jumps with puddles, I know it's definitely better than some places. So just along here, we're coming up to a fast flow section. So although this is a very good spot here, the way you can get very wet, it's really fun looking forward to what you have ahead. Although it's not very long, it's still quite fun, and especially to the finish on, because now you have the uphill. Okay, so that was, can't remember, no clue what it is now. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video at Lanhydrock,
and hopefully you enjoyed my last one if you've seen that. If you haven't, it'll be at the top right corner of your screen. And I still have many more exciting videos to come here, so stay tuned, and in the coming weeks you should see them. Thank you for watching this video. The map for the trail should be down below or at the end of the video. And make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.